And I would like to tell everyone that malakat ako din nga may ada 7 million plus nga income. PhilHealth may ada 8 million plus nga income from the medical assistance to indigent patients. Kasi so far naka-receive na kita 100 plus nga medical assistance from Tingog, Office of the Vice President, from Mayor Alfred Romualdez, from DOH nga 100 plus million it nahatag na din niya City Hospital. Amo ito nga can afford kita maglibrehit nga tanan. So, kumbaga, I had several meeting with the Secretary of Health, with Ma'am Yeda of Tingog and Congressman FM Romualdez dito ha Kongreso para maka-avail kita hitong nga sinisiring nga mait para harahaluag itat masiserbisyuhan nga mga pasyente. Not only Taclobanon siton, as far as Giwan, as far as Calbayog, may ada as far as Leyte na pakaniha ato.